on the assessment of exposures, in particular of the euro area banks to the Credit Suisse risk. This is a question that you will be better addressed to Mr. Enria tomorrow, but it's not that I'm completely uninterested in the matter. So I did ask my staff to actually investigate this issue, and the feedback and the assessment that has been produced indicates that it's a very limited exposure to Credit Suisse, particularly in relation to the AT1s, very limited. We're not talking billions, we're talking millions here. I just want to remind you that the decision that was taken by the Swiss authorities yesterday was taken under Swiss law and on the basis of the contractual agreements that had been undertaken by those Swiss entities, namely the contractual terms of the AT1s. And as I said earlier, Switzerland does not set standards for the European Union. The standards in the European Union are set by your parliament, by regulations, by directives, by frameworks that have their own principles and their own rules. And I would simply like to refer you to the statement that was published earlier today by the Single Resolution Board, the European Banking Authority and the ECB Banking Supervision that welcomed the comprehensive set of action taken yesterday by the Swiss authorities. But they also indicated, and I think that's the most important part of their statement, the resolution framework implementing in the European Union the reforms recommended by the Financial Stability Board after the great financial crisis has established, among others, the order according to which shareholders and creditors of a troubled bank should bear losses. In particular, common equity instruments are the first ones to absorb losses, and only after their full use would additional Tier 1, those famous AT1s, be required to be written down, not the other way around. This approach has been consistently applied in past cases and will continue to guide the actions of the SRB and ECB banking supervision in crisis intervention. I think it's very clear the pecking order is what is provided for under the existing European regulations.